Welcome to Agri Gadget Picks. Bring peaceful water sounds and elegant charm to your outdoor space with stylish designs built for any garden setup. Best garden fountain solar options combine eco-friendly performance, relaxing ambiance, and easy installation to create a beautiful backyard centerpiece without extra wiring or energy costs. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. SunJet 40-inch Garden Fountain Solar. The SunJet 40-inch Garden Fountain Solar brings a peaceful and elegant atmosphere to any outdoor space with its realistic stone-inspired design and relaxing cascading water flow. Standing tall at 40 inches, the fountain easily becomes the focal point of a garden, patio, or backyard sitting area. The gentle sound of flowing water creates a calming environment that feels similar to a natural waterfall, making it perfect for quiet evenings outdoors. One of the standout features is the built-in white LED lighting that softly illuminates the rockery design at night, adding warmth and charm to the surrounding area. The resin construction gives the fountain the appearance of natural stone while remaining lightweight and weather-resistant for year-round use. Its durable build handles rain, wind, and sun exposure without losing its attractive finish. The included interior pump keeps water continuously circulating for a smooth and steady flow. With UL-certified safety support and easy plug-in operation, this fountain combines beauty, durability, and relaxing ambience in one decorative outdoor feature. Number 2. Pivotify Backyard Garden Fountain Solar. The Pivotify Backyard Garden Fountain Solar offers a warm and rustic appearance that instantly enhances outdoor spaces with relaxing sound and vintage-inspired style. Its tiered waterfall design features textured bowls in a rich reddish-brown finish that creates a cozy and welcoming look for patios, porches, or backyard gardens. Water flows smoothly through each level, producing a gentle 55-decibel stream-like sound that adds a peaceful atmosphere without becoming overpowering. During the evening, the integrated LED lighting gives the fountain a soft glow that highlights the cascading water beautifully. A major advantage is the dual charging system, allowing the fountain to operate using solar energy or a plug-in power option for added flexibility. Once fully charged, it can run for hours, making it ideal for outdoor relaxation after sunset. Measuring over 38 inches tall, the fountain fits comfortably in most outdoor settings while remaining visually impressive. The included accessories and straightforward setup process make installation simple, allowing homeowners to quickly transform their outdoor space into a calm and inviting retreat. Number 3. Dephet Bubbler Garden Fountain Solar. The Dephet Bubbler Garden Fountain Solar combines decorative elegance with soothing water movement, creating a relaxing centerpiece for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Its three-tiered cascading design allows water to flow gently from multiple outlets, producing the calming sound of a natural waterfall that enhances the atmosphere of gardens, patios, lobbies, or office areas. The carved floral accents and Indian-inspired top detail give the fountain a unique artistic appearance that stands out from traditional water features. Powered by a solar panel with battery storage support, the fountain operates efficiently while reducing electricity usage, making it a practical and eco-friendly addition to outdoor decor. The durable resin and fiberglass construction provides strong resistance against UV rays, rain, snow, and wind, helping maintain its appearance through changing weather conditions. Another attractive feature is the integrated lighting effect that creates a colorful and peaceful mood during the evening hours. Its combination of decorative craftsmanship, relaxing sound, and reliable durability makes this fountain an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a stylish outdoor accent with calming energy. Number 4. Pivotify Outdoor Garden Fountain Solar. The Pivotify Outdoor Garden Fountain Solar delivers a natural waterfall appearance that transforms patios and gardens into peaceful outdoor retreats. Its 5-tiered rock-inspired structure features realistic artificial moss and built-in planting spaces that allow users to customize the fountain with flowers or greenery for a more personalized landscape design. Water gently flows through the layered rock formation, creating a soft 60-decibel sound that resembles a natural stream and adds a relaxing atmosphere to outdoor living areas. At night, the warm integrated lights beautifully illuminate the cascading water, creating an inviting and tranquil environment perfect for evening gatherings or quiet relaxation. The fountain supports both solar charging and plug-in operation, giving users flexibility depending on weather conditions and personal preference. Its durable construction is designed to handle outdoor environments while maintaining its realistic texture and visual appeal. With a complete installation kit included, setup is simple and convenient. Number 5. Pivotify Patio Garden Fountain Solar. The Pivotify Patio Garden Fountain Solar blends rustic farmhouse charm with relaxing water flow to create a warm and inviting outdoor decoration. Designed with stacked vintage-style barrels and rustic pots, this 4-tier fountain delivers a unique countryside appearance that fits beautifully in gardens, patios, and backyard seating areas. The middle planting section allows users to add flowers or greenery, giving the fountain extra personality and helping it blend naturally with surrounding decor. Water flows smoothly through the tiers using solar-powered energy, producing a soft 55 decibel stream sound that creates a peaceful and comforting atmosphere outdoors. The realistic resin barrel texture adds to the rustic appeal while remaining lightweight and durable enough for outdoor conditions. Its dual charging capability provides flexibility, allowing operation through solar power or a plug-in connection when needed. The fountain's compact size makes it suitable for smaller patios while still offering an eye-catching design. Choosing the right solar garden fountain can completely change the feel of your outdoor space, adding movement, sound, and a relaxing atmosphere without increasing energy costs. From compact decorative styles to larger statement pieces, the best option depends on your garden size, preferred design, and the peaceful vibe you want to create outdoors.